In our exploration of the law of assumption, we begin by understanding the fundamental premise. What you assume to be true will manifest in your reality. This principle is incredibly powerful because it places the responsibility for creating our lives squarely on our shoulders. It means that our persistent assumptions shape our experiences, regardless of whether those assumptions are conscious or unconscious. In the first part of this journey, we focus on the nature of assumptions and their role in shaping reality. We start by acknowledging that our beliefs and assumptions are not mere thoughts. They are the very fabric of our consciousness. When we assume something to be true, we are essentially creating a mental mold that reality then fills. This is why it is so crucial to become aware of what we are assuming in any given moment. Imagine waking up each day with the unshakable belief that everything you desire is already yours. How would that change the way you approach your day? This is the essence of the law of assumption. By consistently assuming the feeling of your wish fulfilled, you align your inner state with the reality you wish to create. It's not about forcing or faking it. It's about genuinely feeling as though your desires are already a part of your life. To put this into practice, start by identifying a specific desire. Perhaps you want to improve your financial situation, or maybe you seek a loving relationship. Once you have identified your desire, the next step is to assume the feeling of your wish fulfilled. This means thinking, feeling, and acting as though your desire has already come to pass. For example, if you desire financial abundance, begin to feel and act as though you are already financially secure. How would that version of you think, feel, and behave? This process requires consistency and dedication. It's not enough to assume your wish fulfilled sporadically. It must become a persistent state of mind. This is where many people struggle, as old habits and limiting beliefs can easily creep back in. The key is to maintain your new assumptions even in the face of contrary evidence. Remember, reality is a reflection of your inner state, not the other way around. By holding steadfastly to your new assumptions, you allow reality the time it needs to catch up. Now, let's dive deeper into practical advice. One effective technique is visualization. Spend time each day vividly imagining your desired outcome as if it has already happened. See yourself living your dream life in as much detail as possible. Feel the emotions associated with your success and let those feelings permeate your being. The more real you can make it in your mind, the more powerfully you are assuming it to be true. Another powerful tool is affirmations. Create positive statements that reflect your desired reality and repeat them regularly. These affirmations help to reprogram your subconscious mind, aligning it with your new assumptions. For instance, if your goal is better health, you might affirm, "I am healthy, vibrant, and full of energy." Repetition is key here. The more you affirm your new reality, the more it becomes ingrained in your subconscious. As you continue to practice the law of assumption, you will begin to notice subtle shifts in your reality. Opportunities may arise seemingly out of nowhere, and your circumstances will start to align with your new assumptions. It's important to remain patient and persistent during this process. Change may not happen overnight, but with unwavering faith and consistent practice, your desired reality will begin to manifest. We must also address the challenges that can arise. Doubt and fear are natural parts of the human experience, but they can be detrimental to the practice of the law of assumption. When these negative emotions surface, acknowledge them, but do not dwell on them. Instead, refocus your mind on your desired outcome and reaffirm your assumptions. This requires mental discipline and a commitment to staying aligned with your goals. At this point, we've laid a strong foundation for understanding and applying the law of assumption. It's about embodying the feeling of your wish fulfilled and maintaining that state consistently. By doing so, you shape your reality from the inside out. So, how will you begin to apply these principles in your own life? What assumptions will you choose to let go of? And what new beliefs will you embrace? Transforming doubt into faith. Mastering your inner dialogue. As we progress in our understanding of the law of assumption, we must address a critical aspect of this practice: transforming doubt into unwavering faith. It's one thing to identify and assume the feeling of your wish fulfilled, but maintaining that state in the face of everyday challenges and doubts is where true mastery lies. This part of our journey focuses on cultivating a mindset that not only assumes but fully believes in the reality of your desires. Doubt is a natural part of the human experience. It arises from past conditioning, societal influences, and our own fears. When we begin to work with the law of assumption, these doubts can become significant obstacles. However, instead of seeing doubt as a hindrance, view it as an opportunity to strengthen your faith. Each moment of doubt is a chance to reaffirm your belief in your desired reality. One of the most effective ways to combat doubt is through self-awareness. Pay close attention to your inner dialogue. Notice the moments when doubt creeps in and the thoughts that accompany it. Often, these thoughts are automatic and deeply ingrained. By becoming aware of them, you can begin to consciously redirect your thinking. For example, if you catch yourself thinking, "This will never happen," immediately counter it with, "Everything is unfolding perfectly in my favor." This practice requires vigilance and consistency. It's not about suppressing or ignoring doubts, but rather acknowledging them and choosing to focus on your desired outcome instead. Over time, this conscious redirection of your thoughts will weaken the power of doubt and strengthen your faith. Another powerful tool in transforming doubt into faith is gratitude. When you focus on what you are grateful for, you shift your attention away from lack and towards abundance. Gratitude elevates your vibration and aligns you with the feeling of your wish fulfilled. Make it a daily practice to list things you're grateful for, both big and small. This habit trains your mind to see the positive aspects of your life and reinforces the belief that good things are continually coming to you. Faith in the law of assumption also involves trusting the process. Understand that there is a divine timing to everything. Sometimes our desires manifest quickly, and other times they take longer. Trust that the universe has a perfect plan and everything is unfolding exactly as it should. This trust allows you to remain calm and centered, even when external circumstances seem unchanged. Remember, your inner state is what ultimately shapes your reality. Visualization, as mentioned before, is another key practice in building faith. When you vividly imagine your desired outcome, you create a mental and emotional blueprint that your subconscious mind works to fulfill. Spend time each day in quiet contemplation, visualizing your goals as if they have already been achieved. The more real and detailed your visualization, the more deeply it imprints on your subconscious mind. Affirmations continue to play a crucial role. They serve as constant reminders of your new beliefs and assumptions. Write down your affirmations and place them where you can see them regularly: on your mirror, desk, or as a screensaver on your phone. Repeating these affirmations helps to reprogram your subconscious mind and strengthen your faith in the reality you are creating. Another profound exercise is to act as if. This means behaving as though your desired outcome is already a reality. If you seek financial abundance, start making decisions from a place of abundance rather than scarcity. If you desire a loving relationship, act with the confidence and joy of someone who is already in that fulfilling partnership. This practice aligns your actions with your assumptions, creating a powerful synergy that accelerates manifestation. We must also consider the importance of letting go. Once you have set your intentions and assumed the feeling of your wish fulfilled, release any attachment to the outcome. This does not mean giving up on your desires, but rather trusting that they are already on their way. Letting go reduces resistance and allows the universe to work its magic. It's a delicate balance between holding your vision and releasing the need to control how and when it manifests. As you continue to practice these principles, you will notice a shift in your inner world. Doubts will become less frequent, and your faith in the law of assumption will grow stronger. This inner transformation is the key to manifesting your desired reality. So, reflect on your current beliefs and assumptions. How can you transform your doubts into faith? What daily practices will you commit to in order to strengthen your belief in the power of assumption? Living from the end, embracing your desired reality. In this part, we dive into the concept of living from the end, a cornerstone of the law of assumption. Living from the end means embodying the state of your wish fulfilled, not merely thinking about it or hoping for it, but living as if it has already manifested. This shift in perspective is profound and can dramatically accelerate the manifestation process. To live from the end, you must first clearly define your desired outcome. Envision it in as much detail as possible. What does your life look like now that your wish is fulfilled? How do you feel? How do you interact with others? This vision should be vivid and emotionally charged, as emotions are the fuel that propels your assumptions into reality. Once your vision is clear, begin to align your thoughts, feelings, and actions with this new reality. This requires a deep commitment to consistently choosing to live in the state of your wish fulfilled. If you desire a successful career, for instance, start acting and making decisions as a successful person would. This might involve adopting new habits, changing your environment, or even altering your social circle to reflect your new reality. One practical exercise is scripting. Write a detailed narrative of your life as if your desires have already come true. Describe your daily activities, your feelings, and your interactions. This exercise reinforces your vision and helps to solidify your assumptions. Read this script regularly and immerse yourself in the emotions it evokes. Another key aspect of living from the end is to let go of the need to see immediate results. Trust that your assumptions are powerful and that they are already working behind the scenes. This trust reduces anxiety and keeps you aligned with your desired state. It's about maintaining faith and patience, knowing that the universe is orchestrating the perfect conditions for your manifestation. Your inner dialogue plays a crucial role here. Continuously affirm your desired state and counter any negative thoughts with positive affirmations. Surround yourself with reminders of your new reality, whether it's through vision boards, affirmations, or even small symbolic actions that reinforce your belief. Living from the end also means embracing the present moment with gratitude and joy. Appreciate where you are now, knowing that it is a stepping stone to your desired reality. Gratitude elevates your vibration and aligns you with the frequency of your dreams. Celebrate small victories along the way and acknowledge the progress you're making. As you practice living from the end, you will notice subtle but significant changes in your reality. People, opportunities, and circumstances will begin to align with your new assumptions. This is a testament to the power of your inner state and its ability to shape the external world. Reflect on how you can begin to live from the end today. What small changes can you make to align your current actions with your desired reality? How can you maintain faith and patience as you await the physical manifestation of your dreams? The ultimate transformation, becoming the master of your reality. As we conclude our exploration of the law of assumption, we focus on the ultimate transformation, becoming the master of your reality. This is where all the principles we've discussed come together, empowering you to create a life that truly reflects your deepest desires and highest aspirations. Mastering your reality begins with unwavering self-belief. Recognize that you are the creator of your experiences. This realization is both liberating and empowering. It means that no matter your current circumstances, you have the power to change them through your assumptions and beliefs. Embrace this truth wholeheartedly and let it guide your actions. Consistency is crucial. The law of assumption requires persistent and disciplined practice. Make it a daily habit to affirm your desired state, visualize your goals, and act in alignment with your new reality. This consistency solidifies your assumptions and accelerates their manifestation. It's about showing up every day with the conviction that your wishes are already fulfilled. Emotional mastery is another essential element. Emotions are powerful indicators of your inner state and have a significant impact on your reality. Learn to manage your emotions by staying centered and focused on your desired outcomes. When negative emotions arise, acknowledge them, but do not let them derail your progress. Instead, use them as opportunities to strengthen your faith and reaffirm your goals. Surround yourself with positivity. Your environment and the people you interact with can greatly influence your assumptions. Seek out supportive relationships and environments that uplift and inspire you. This positive reinforcement helps to maintain your high vibration and alignment with your desired reality. In the process of mastering your reality, it's important to practice self-compassion. There will be moments of doubt and challenges along the way. Be gentle with yourself and recognize that growth is a journey. Celebrate your progress, no matter how small, and keep moving forward with determination and grace. Finally, integrate the principles of the law of assumption into every aspect of your life. Whether it's your career, relationships, health, or personal growth, apply these teachings consistently. By doing so, you create a harmonious and fulfilling life that reflects your true potential. As you continue to practice and embody the law of assumption, you will witness profound changes in your reality. You will become the master of your destiny, creating a life that is rich in joy, abundance, and fulfillment. Reflect on how you can continue to apply these principles moving forward. How will you maintain consistency and emotional mastery in your daily life? What steps will you take to surround yourself with positivity and support? Embrace your power as the creator of your reality and step confidently into the life you have always envisioned. Your journey with the law of assumption is a lifelong adventure of growth, transformation, and endless possibilities. Continue to live from your highest assumptions and watch as your life transforms in extraordinary ways.